before the video starts, please note I was making two different videos. I just had to combine them to make this one. But I hope you enjoy still. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I gotta go do some tire balancing, so we're gonna balance some tires and try to get a little wash down, get a little clean going, so yeah. I guess scary. Okay. Go to video. Please stay. Oh shit. Alright, I guess you still work. Yeah, I just made it home, and as luck will have it, look who decided to blow. Now this just happened as I opened the hood. I hear like a pew, and then I saw that. I hear like a bubble bubble. Yeah, I definitely think we have a blown head gasket, but hey, who am I? You know, I'm just a guy. Yeah, so I'm gonna need me a bottle. Yeah. So I try to make a cinematic video. I don't know if this could be a cinematic video or not. I try to record something on my way home, just try to make a little some switch it up a little bit. But yeah, now we need to get a bottle ordered and brought in. The car driving good. I would say only problem is like because of how the car's set up, I don't think it's a advisable daily considering I have the 93 and I work 50 or 45 miles away from home. So, you know, but besides that, oh, and clearly the hood exit is a big factor. But yeah, so besides that, it's not a bad daily driver, but clearly it's not a daily driver, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Anyways, I hope this video turned out to be good and I hope you like it. If you do like it, just say it. If you do like it, I'm so hot right now. Shit. Yeah, if you do like it, leave a thumbs up. Thank you. On to the next, I guess. This is goodbye.